Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Ooh, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today we are going to be doing my house tour, which I'm really excited about because we just finished doing the whole decorating. There are still a few more pieces here and there, some stuff I'm missing, some stuff I don't know how to decorate. So I'm looking forward to showing you guys my house and also getting hopefully some suggestions for what to do with a couple of the spaces that I'm just not really sure what to do with them. So the first thing when you come in through the front door is the coat closet. So after the coat closet is this little entryway, which I love the foyer coming in because we've only ever, with apartment living, had the door go right into the kitchen, right into the living room. So I love this entryway to greet guests. This is a space I don't know what to do with. I really want to put this bowl kind of on maybe a table, maybe a shelf or something, but just as a catch-all for when you come in through the front door versus over there where I'll show you in a minute. We have this cute little mudroom, which I love, which right now I've stuck my purse on, which I've been carrying this, but I love it because when guests come in, they can sit down and take off their shoes. I just actually made this little hook today from these beads that I found at Hobby Lobby, and this little thing, because I wanted to hang the hat on the wall, but I didn't want it to look ugly. So I love the colors of this too. But yeah, I'm still kind of playing with this. It'll change throughout the seasons. I'm really excited for fall to be able to put some pumpkins on it and just kind of decorate it more. But this is how it looks standard, I guess. Now we're into the kitchen. I love this kitchen. It's not as functional as our last kitchen because it doesn't have as much storage space, which I need in a kitchen. But I have this nice little place to make my coffee. It fits all my coffee stuff, and all of my coffee supplies are still neatly organized, which I love. And then the rest of my kitchen, which I would go through all of the doors, but I feel like that's kind of boring. So I'm gonna stop and get some water though, because hydration is important. I'm so sorry if you can hear this. I know you can hear this. I just started that because we had kale go bad or something, and the container smelled really bad, so I'm washing it. That is a really attractive story. You're welcome. But yeah, I'm trying to find a runner or something for this area. Haven't found one I liked yet. It's really hard for me to find rugs that I like. A theme that you'll notice throughout our house is gallery walls. I like gallery walls apparently. I've been putting things on a lot of different areas in our house, which you will definitely see. I have a spoon collection. These are collector spoons. And my collection is over 200 spoons. But this is, I think it's 16. Yeah, 16 of places that Andrew and I have been together, spoons we picked up together. And then I have this one from Paris that I think my niece brought me back, an Australia one that my cousin brought me back, which I have up here because Andrew loves Australia. And then a Budapest one that my friend Michael Paul gave me, and he sent it to me when he was studying abroad. And spoons that I get from friends are just so special to me. So yeah, that's my little collection. Over here, we have what will be an entry table that my wonderful husband just got back from Home Depot buying the materials for. And this place will look a lot better once we do that. This ottoman has all of our blankets in it, and it's not a functioning ottoman. You can't sit on it, it breaks. It's from Amazon, and it says it can hold 300 pounds, and I was like, ha ha ha, jokes, because it's broken, because we sat on it. But yeah, so I have the all of the accessories for our Dyson here, and then this is stuff that needs to go to the garage, or needs to go in the car with us, or something that Andrew's sunglasses are in here. Yeah, and we have this cute little house right here, which we hang our keys on, which is flat when we have both of our keys on there, but Andrew's keys are not up here right now. So yeah, and a little mirror, and then downstairs is down the stairs, but we're not gonna go down there. This is our living room and our dining room. We just got this table from IKEA and I'm obsessed with it. I don't like the traditional like farmhouse table look, but I like the idea of gathering and having a home where people want to come and visit and like want to be hosted by me. So we can sit 8 people quite comfortably. We have 2 extra chairs that we just pull out from the outside storage. These chairs we got for our wedding, and I love them because they're simple and easy to clean and they're nice chairs. Yeah, this is a wall that I don't know what I want to do with yet. It's probably going to be a wall that I decorate mostly for holidays and put stuff up there, but I'm still trying to figure it out. I do love the Bon Appetit alone on the wall. I like it as a statement piece. But yeah, this is our dining area and also where I do my work. Over here is our living area. Some of my favorite things in this room is this Alabaster Co. Bible. If you haven't heard of Alabaster Co., they do individual books of the Bible. So this is the book of Isaiah, and I just love the like the sky, the photo of the sky here. And they're just beautiful because it's like every page, it's just so spread out. It has like, there's nothing left out. There's no parts that they change. It's literally just the Bible in NIV, I believe, written out into one big book with lots of pictures. So it's like a coffee table book. And then I have, this is Alan, given to me by Alan, who I gave my big aloe. And we have Archie over here, of course, on a little stool, which I'm not 100% sure if I love the stool, but I kind of do. And then up here is the remnants of our plant wall, which you saw if you followed me or subscribed to my channel. When we lived in Miami, I had a whole plant wall, which that's what I called it, but it didn't really have that many plants on it. But this is our engagement picture, or one of our engagement pictures done by Sabrina James, who I will link down below because she's an amazing photographer. And then things from our wedding. So like our wedding flowers. And then we have music, of course, and my phone, which is charging because it's dead. Over here we have my bar cart and like cocktail area with some art that I did. And I love this. I just love the way it looks. This snake plant was given to me by my sister. It is a cutting of her mom's snake plant, which I think is really special, just to like, you know, share plants. And then this is another cutting of, actually it's a pup of the aloe plant that I gave our friend Alan. And this house thing's actually a bird feeder, but right now I just like it back there. That's our bar cart. And this over here is the desk. I actually spend any time over here at the desk, but I still really like it as it is. I mean, it has our printer and like these glasses, the blue light glasses that I'm obsessed with. I think they're so cute. And they actually really do help my eyes because I need glasses. I have actual glasses, and my eyes get strained really easily. In here is the guest bathroom, which is the brightest room in my house. You can see my husband, and he's so cute. It has the most colors. I forgot I would have swimsuits drying, so it's not always looking like this, but you know, real life, you'll come on in. I have a hamper here from IKEA, which they discontinued, and I'm really upset about that because it's my favorite hamper. But I put our like swim towels and swimsuits in there, stuff that I hand wash. We'll go in here, and here's our laundry room. And then over here I have some art that I did. And then here we have for our guests, we have this little candle that smells really good. It smells like sweet tarts. And then 2 things. One has bath bombs for our, I don't know which one's which, but one has bath bombs for our guests to be able to take a bath and get a bath bomb. And then like people to come and like, stay with us. And then one has things for ladies. Come to our house. This is the same as our old guest bathroom. Only difference is that, well, right now it's hanging clothes to dry. But the biggest change that I did for our bathroom decor was just add more art. So this is the sunflower, like Kansas state flower, then another gallery wall. So I didn't do this one, I did this one and this one. So we have like a little turtle and then fresh flowers. I do want to add like a couple more pieces, like something down here and something up there to this gallery wall. But I think it'll probably be art that I make, but I don't know what I want to do yet. Across the way is, and it's really loud in there, I'm sorry about that. That's because our air conditioning is like mostly, it goes through there. I don't know what it is. But anyways, this is our guest room, which is just now, the first day, it is officially
It's really bright.
cleaned. What did you say?
It's really bright.
Good. This fake tree is from Target, and I love it because it is so tall and just fills up this corner of the space. This has been with me since my first semester at college. This has been with me since my last semester at college, but we just have a futon. I love having a futon in our guest room because we can fit, they're 2 full-size sleeping areas, so we can actually fit 4 adults pretty comfortably with some snuggles, you know. Surprise, another gallery wall. It's like really a theme of our house, but I absolutely love it. These photos were gifted to us by our amazing wedding photographer, Liz Rudman, who I'll also put down below because, you know, you gotta have multiple photographers that you love. Final stop is our room. So this is the master bedroom. We have a lot of the same elements from our previous home, and then a lot of new things. So like this is pretty much looks the same. I like to keep it very clean. That when when you wake up, it's not very cluttery. Makes sense to me. And then this is our closet, which we were not going to go in today. Then we have something where it's similar. I'll come down here. Basically a collage of a lot of things that make me happy. This is, I forgot what her name is. Shoot. But anyways, I'm obsessed with her. She's beautiful. I love her. My lovely chair, which I'm obsessed with. It's so cozy, like to come in here and like do work on my computer. And then another gallery wall, obviously. I painted these, and then these come with day. They're the ingredient cards. I just really love the coloring and the way that they look. So they make me happy. And then we have this, which we built, which I'm obsessed with. I love the peachy colors in here. It makes me happy, the art and stuff. I need something, so some things that I need from you are ideas of what to do with that entryway, like that corner, right when we come into the house. And then also something to put on this side of the wall. I don't know if I want to do like some art in the same color scheme as over there, or if I want to do like more wedding pictures. I'm not sure. So if you could be a doll, leave a comment down below. That would be great. I don't know what to do to make it less like drawn to that corner. Like it's very busy on that side of the wall and like not very busy over here. So we have some like music stuff, but that's pretty much it. I guess we could hang the guitars on the wall because I do have like wall guitar things. That might be something. I don't know, leave a comment down below about ideas that you have, or if you like the guitar idea, because I'll probably do it. This is our bathroom, which my favorite part of our new home is this rug. Look how cute that rug is. I'm obsessed with it. Persian rugs are my new thing. I love it because everything on here is functional. These are the only things that are used for decor, but these are flowers from my wedding bouquet. There's some of the white roses. We have soap, obviously, and then more of my wedding flowers. And then this cute little, I don't remember where we got this from. I think it was at a estate sale or something. But I put my ring on it when I shower, and I just love it. It's so cute. Also, my color coordination. Oh, isn't that so cute? It looks like his and hers, but it's really all my stuff. And then Surprise, surprise, we have another gallery wall with some art that I did. This, which Andrew just finished spray painting. I haven't figured out what I want to put on it all over yet, but I know I definitely have obviously extra toilet paper at the bottom, and then in this cute little rope basket bag, I put all of like beauty try products, so like things like masks and some like creams and stuff like that, like samples, put under there. Then you can see my day products in there, can't you? I love Day. Since I did colored my hair, I haven't switched back. Normally I switch back and forth between products, but this has actually kept my hair super healthy, and Day has like, you can't tell, or maybe you can tell, and if you can't tell, I apologize, but I'm on like day 5 without washing my hair, which I'm really proud of myself about, because I'm trying to train my hair to do like a once a week wash, just so that the oil has time to like get all the way down to my ends. And honestly, like Day has made my hair feel so healthy, especially since coloring it. That is the bathroom. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. It would make my heart super, super happy if you'd subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm so excited to have shared my house with you. I hope that it gives you some decor inspiration, or that you see something that you like, and hopefully it'll be available. I'll link everything that I can in the description box. I am a very avid thrifter, and I apparently love to make my own things. So I won't be able to link everything, of course, but I'll link everything that I can. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to leave a comment on what you think I should do with that little spot in the table. Little spot in the table? Wow. The little spot in the corner over there, or on Andrew's side of our bed. Yeah, because I really need some suggestions. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I said but yeah like 8 times. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye! Then he locked it.
Haha.